Welcome to D&J Coffee Access Travels. Welcome to Pereira, a bustling city seeking solutions to its growing traffic challenges. The Alamos Bridge stands as a beacon of urban development and innovation. Strategically connecting Juan B. Gutierrez Avenue and 12th Street, it eases city congestion. This 40,000 million pesos project, a little over $9 million, reflects Pereira's commitment to progress. The bridge's design features city colors and pedestrian-friendly sidewalks. Residents enjoy leisurely strolls, embracing the new connectivity. The bridge harmonizes with Pereira's urban landscape and natural beauty. Cable cars glide above, symbolizing seamless urban mobility. The Alamos Bridge enhances city infrastructure with its modern amenities. Designed for efficiency, it supports both vehicles and pedestrians alike. Its architecture is a testament to the city's forward-thinking vision. Local residents express optimism about improved traffic conditions. The bridge is a pivotal part of Pereira's urban transformation journey. It's not just a structure, it's a catalyst for community growth. The city's investment in infrastructure fuels economic development. With every step forward, Pereira embraces a brighter future. The Alamos Bridge symbolizes hope and resilience for its citizens. A testament to modern engineering, it stands proudly in Pereira. Urban mobility redefined, thanks to this visionary project. An emblem of progress, the bridge lights up the skyline at night. As Pereira evolves, the Alamos Bridge leads the way forward. Join us in celebrating this milestone in urban development.